Dear children, our next chapter is changes around us. In this chapter, we will learn about reversible and irreversible changes, expansion and contraction, physical and chemical changes. Many changes occur around us, like bursting of balloon, cooking of food, melting of glaciers, growing of plants, burning of paper. And these are some changes we observe in our surroundings. Okay, so the changes are of two types: reversible changes and irreversible changes. The changes are of two types: reversible changes and irreversible changes. For understanding reversible and irreversible changes, I will show one activity. What I have taken, I have taken ice. Ice in the bowl. I am keeping for 5 minutes. We will see what will happen. Okay? And two rubber bands. Fine. So when I am stretching the rubber band, what will happen? What will happen? The shape of rubber band is changing. The shape of rubber band will change and it can be come to the same size. है ना? एक बार मैंने उसको if I am stretching the band, what will happen? It is stretched. After the, if I am releasing, it will come to the same position, same size. Now what you can see in this? This you can see the ice changed into water. Okay. So now I will explain reversible changes. When I stretch the rubber band, it extended, and after releasing it come to the same position, it come to the same size. These type of changes we will call reversible changes. Okay, only the size will change, state will change. Okay, this type of a change that can be turned back or reversed is called reversible change. A change that can be turned back or reversed is called reversible change. जैसे हमने आइस ले लिया, it changes into water. सो उसका स्टेट चेंज हो गया, बट हमने दोबारा इसको फ्रीजर में रख दिया तो व्हाट विल हैपन? इट चेंजेस इनटू आइस अगेन. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस वी विल कॉल रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. जैसे स्ट्रेचिंग ऑफ बैंड, blowing of air balloons, boiling of water, and melting of ice. These are the examples of reversible changes. These changes can be turned or reversed. Okay. Next, irreversible change. I will show one activity to show the irreversible change. Irreversible change क्या होता है? It cannot be turned back or reversed. और the same position में, same shape में, same position में, same properties में back नहीं कर सकते. उसको हम कहते हैं irreversible change. Like I have taken one plate and paper. Okay, what will you do? I am burning this paper. paper, you can see the paper changes into ash, and this ash cannot be reversed into paper. It cannot be reversed into paper. So this is the example of irreversible change. So irreversible change, when I burned paper, it changes into ash and it cannot be reversed. These kind of changes we will call irreversible changes. जैसे irreversible change, I will say some examples more, like ripening of fruits, burning of wood, cooking of food. And these are the some examples for irreversible change. Once your mom is cooked your food, can be reversed to same ingredients? No. It cannot be